Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Danielle Mone, and today we're gonna do kind of an everyday, very soft, very lightweight makeup routine. So let's get into it. Okay, so typically I'm all about doing my brows first because I feel like the brows frame the face, and if my whole face is done and then I go to do my brows, it's gonna be, it could be a nightmare. But I think what I'm gonna do is, because I'm gonna go in with this Naked Skin one and done kind of tinted SPF, I'm just gonna do my brows after. And I did groom them. This brow is kind of sad, but I did groom them this morning, so it should be, it should be okay. So we are gonna go in first with our primer, and I'm just using this Conceal and Fix Mattifying Primer. This is by Makeup Revolution, and it's a shine-free makeup base with salicylic acid. So this should do a good job at keeping us matte. I just do like 3 pumps of it. I don't have oily skin per se. I would say combination skin. But I do prefer a matte base. I like a dewy look, but not like a sweaty, oily look. And I tend to get oily like here and here. And I'm always like, I want to be dewy. And then people are like, oh my God, your skin is so amazing. Or like I get compliments and I'm like, I don't see it. Like when I would go get color matched for foundations, I'm always like, I want a super full coverage foundation. And they're always like, why? But I have started breaking out here and I've got some scarring now. Just terrible. Just terrible. Okay. So now that we are prepped and primed, we are just going to go in with that, with this. And I'm going to put it on with this Wet n Wild foundation brush, flat top buffer brush, whatever. And this stuff is actually really good for like the beach and things like that, because like I said, it is a tinted sunscreen. It has, I believe, SPF 20, broad spectrum SPF 20. Now this is not like a glam or an everyday glam situation, because this is not a full coverage, although you see it did kind of cover that up. It's not like a full coverage foundation. And even on the bottle, it does say if you're out and about and wearing it, like at the beach, to continue putting it on every so often, every few hours. But because I want that really lightweight kind of, you can still see my skin, you can still see my moles and things like that, we're just gonna put on one good layer. Now I'm gonna go in with the Dior Forever Skin Correcting Concealer in the color 4.5 Neutral. And I'm just gonna kind of put that where I want some of those little imperfections hidden, and of course under my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with the e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the color F13, and I'm gonna do a little bit of like bronzing contour. It's really not that dark, but it is going to give me a little bit of a pop. And we are going to go in, gosh, my brushes, guys, like not the actual brushes, but the handles of the brushes are just a mess. We're going to go in with the Expert Face brush by Real Techniques. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics bronzer in Deep Tan and the blush brush by Real Techniques. And this is a look that I would do, you know, like not going out, but just for kind of like an everyday situation. I like stopped mid-sentence. Okay. Now I'm going to go in and set down here. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix and just this brush. And I'm going to kind of set all over. But then I'm going to go in with the Airspun powder, and I'm going to set under my eyes with this, just for a little bit of extra set and some extra coverage, some extra brightening. You know what? Why not? Okay. While that kind of sets in, I'm going to go in with my NYX Ombre blush, and this is in Nude to Me. I love this blush, guys, because it's like a really nice kind of situation. And I'm going to use this blush brush by Real Techniques and just kind of add in some extra bronzing there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Pinch Me blush and this brush here and add some color into my face. Brushing away all that excess. I like to do blush on my nose just because I like that tickled pink kind of look. Okay. Now we can get into the brows. I'm going to be using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the color Java one side is your spoolie and one side is your brow pencil. And because I did them earlier, it's in terms of like tweezing them a little bit, it shouldn't be that difficult to just and like I said, this isn't like the go-to glam situation, so they don't have to be like perfect and carved out. This isn't an Instagram look. This isn't an Instagram brow, an Instagram, none of that. Okay. That actually went a lot better than I thought it was gonna go. And then I'm gonna set my brows with the Morphe gel, or brow setting gel. I'm gonna go in to my Tarte Lit in Bloom Tarte and just the color Rebel, and just give my eyes a little bit of color there. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. No lash I don't have lash extensions, and I'm not putting on lashes because this is a very, like I said, everyday soft glam, if you want to even call it a glam. I need to get a new mascara, but I remember being a kid and watching my mother put on mascara, like, you know, I don't know what it is about women and putting mascara on and keeping their mouths open, but I feel like I make a conscious effort to keep my mouth closed. Okay, now for the lips. I had on a, actually I had Bag Balm on my lips. If you guys know about Bag Balm, is it not like amazing? Okay. I'm gonna go in line with the Rimmel London liner in Coffee Bean because I ran out of my go-to liner, which is my Jordana Coco Loco. I'm gonna go in with my little mini MAC in the color Whirl. Truthfully, I feel like the only colors I really wear are either nudes or clears, and I'm gonna go over that with my Kylie gloss in the color Always Shining. And it's just a kind of glittery nude. Clear, not a glittery nude, a glittery clear. Somebody's here dropping off a package. I wonder if they're dropping off my HelloFresh. Oh, did I forget? It looks like I forgot highlight, but that's okay. What we're gonna do is just go right into the same palette and into the color Funny Girl. Jeez. And now I'm gonna set everything with the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. Long wear oil control with hyaluronic acid. And I like to just kind of let that set into my skin. You know, fan in my face. All right, guys, and this is the finished look. This is my very everyday lightweight, like it literally feels like I have my regular everyday moisturizer on my face. And you guys saw I put powders on my face and everything, and because that base of this is so lightweight, it feels amazing. My skin can breathe. I don't feel like tight. It's good. So guys, if you were into this look, let me know.